How to navigate the Kraken Pro dashboard. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and you will land directly on the dashboard. At the very top, you will find the source bar where you can quickly look up any trading pair or asset. Right next to it is your profile icon, which gives you access to settings and account information. In the center, you will see your portfolio value, giving you an overview of your current holdings and your total worth. Just below that, there are different categories to help you explore assets based on their market type or performance. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a navigation bar with multiple key options. On the left, tap Markets to view live trading pairs, market prices, and chart movements. Next to it, the trading section lets you place buy or sell orders with various options like market, limit, and stop orders. In the middle, there's a purple circle icon with two arrows facing opposite directions. This is the quick trade button. Tap it to instantly place a trade without navigating away. Then you have Portfolio, which provides a detailed breakdown of all your assets, performance graphs, and transaction history. Lastly, there's Earn, where you can explore staking options and see potential earnings on supported assets. Now you know how to navigate the Kraken Pro dashboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.